Let's explore some useful words that start with the letter I. Simple, common, and easy to use in everyday English. Ice, frozen water, used to cool things. Can I have some ice in my drink? Idea, a thought, plan, or suggestion. That's a great idea for the party. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. We spent our vacation on a tropical island. Insect, a small animal with 6 legs and usually wings. There's a strange insect on the wall. Ink, a colored liquid used for writing or printing. The pen ran out of ink. Invitation, a request to attend an event. I got an invitation to their wedding. Instrument, a device used for playing music. He plays a string instrument in a band. Image, a picture or visual representation. She shared an image of the sunset. Impact, a strong effect or influence. The movie had a big emotional impact on me. Item, a single thing in a list or collection. That's the last item on the agenda. Iron, a strong metal used in construction or tools. The gate is made of iron. Injury, physical harm or damage to the body. He suffered a knee injury during the game. Income, money received from work or business. Her monthly income covers all expenses. Internet, a global network used for communication and information. Kids spend hours on the internet. Issue, an important topic or a problem. We need to talk about this issue. Ice cream, a sweet frozen dessert. Let's get some ice cream after dinner. Industry, a group of businesses that produce a particular type of goods or services. The tourism industry is growing rapidly. The production of goods, especially in factories. The region depends heavily on heavy industry. Industry, hard work and dedication. She succeeded through talent and industry. Input, information or ideas given to help something. Thanks for your input on the project. Interview, a formal meeting for a job or to get information. I have a job interview tomorrow. Ignorance, lack of knowledge or awareness. His ignorance of the rules caused problems. Identity, the characteristics of a person or thing. She kept her identity secret. Impact, a strong effect or influence. The new policy had a big impact on schools. Impression, the opinion someone forms about something or someone. He made a great first impression. Incident, an event, often unexpected or unpleasant. There was a minor incident at the airport. Increase, a rise in size, amount, or number. There's been an increase in prices lately. Influence, the power to affect others. Parents have a big influence on their children. Injustice, lack of fairness or justice. They protested against social injustice. Inquiry, a question or official investigation. We received your inquiry by email. Investment, the act of putting money into something for profit. Real estate is a smart investment. Ideal, perfect or most suitable. It was the ideal place for a picnic. Ill, not feeling well or sick. She's been ill all week. Illegal, not allowed by law. It's illegal to drive without a license. Important, of great significance or value. It's important to get enough sleep. Impossible, not able to happen or be done. It's impossible to finish in 5 minutes. Impressive, causing admiration or respect. Her presentation was very impressive. Incredible, difficult to believe, amazing. The view from the top was incredible. Independent, free from control or not needing help. She's very independent for her age. Informal, relaxed, not official or formal. It was just an informal meeting. Injured, physically hurt. He was injured during the game. Innocent, not guilty or not responsible for something bad. The jury found her innocent. Intelligent, able to learn and understand things easily. He's one of the most intelligent students in the class. Intelligent versus smart. What's the difference? Intelligent usually refers to someone who has a high mental ability, good at learning, understanding, and reasoning. It's often used in academic or logical contexts. Smart is more informal and can mean clever, quick thinking, or even stylish. It refers to practical intelligence or being streetwise, and in some cases, it can also describe someone's appearance. Interested? Wanting to know or learn more about something? She's really interested in history. Interesting. Holding your attention or curiosity. That's an interesting idea. Irritated, slightly angry or annoyed. He looked irritated by the question. Icy, covered with or consisting of ice, very cold. The roads are icy today. Frozen means something has turned into ice or become very cold and solid. The lake is frozen. It has turned into ice. Icy means something is covered with ice or feels extremely cold. It can also describe a cold or unfriendly attitude. The sidewalk was icy, so I slipped and fell. She gave me an icy look. Her expression was cold and unfriendly. Now you know more words with I. Keep practicing and see you in the next video with more vocabulary.